In a mixing bowl, add one 3.4 ounce package of instant vanilla pudding and 2 cups of eggnog. If you like, you can also add a half a teaspoon of rum extract or a tablespoon of rum. Now mix this together for a couple of minutes until it's well combined. Then add 8 ounces of Cool Whip thawed, or you could use fresh whipped cream. Now gently fold this in. Then spoon the mixture into a 9-inch graham cracker pie crust. Now just refrigerate this for several hours until it sets up. To serve, you can garnish it with some whipped cream and some ground nutmeg.